All right, so we got my house done. I'm gonna walk around, show you what it looks like. Ignore that stuff, I have to move that. But we can see, you know, with the concrete being 25 years old, it's hard to get everything up. But compared to what it looked like before, I mean, there's a big difference. I'll come and show you my neighbors and what it looks like. So you can see, I gotta clean that up, but you can see it, you know, it stops here and it's dirty at that point. So yeah, I mean, it looks good. See what this looks like. Yeah, I mean, it's nice and clean. It's not perfect, but you know, for 50 bucks an hour, it looks pretty darn good. I'm gonna show you the fence. So we've been working on the fence. Got wood there. We got Maximus, best truck in the world. Just got painted. Love that thing. So here's what the fence looks like. I need to mow this section still. So we got this. I'm just gonna walk around the whole section and you'll be able to see where the old planks are. So we can see this is the section where the new boards meet the old boards, and you can see it looks nasty. Well, it doesn't look nasty, it just looks old. It looks like it's been, you know, beaten up for 25 years, and now's the perfect time to replace it. So we have this section done. This section done. And the biggest thing is you can tell the height difference. I mean, look at the height difference. That's where the old fence goes. Height difference incredible. So yeah, I mean, it's been a good day so far. Woke up at 7, went for a walk, pressure washed, had a good interview. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm meeting with my buddy today to talk about watches, and he might buy one or trade one. I'm not entirely sure, so that'll be good. But I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one.